Hi, and welcome to Rachel Art with Heart.
Hi, hello, and welcome back to Rachel Art with Heart. I am so happy to see you. Today, we are creating 2 art projects. The projects we're going to be creating are a giant, snowflake that you can hang somewhere really special, and some snow. I have mine in the bag because it gets super messy and I don't want to have to wash my hands. I keep this also in the fridge once you're done creating this. That helps it last a little longer and then it feels even more like snow. But I'm going to show you how you're going to get to make your own snow. Come on, let's go ahead and get started. All right. Let's make some giant snowflakes. Okay, so we're gonna grab 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bags. My bags are pretty small. You can have regular size lunch bags, that's okay too. The paper bags are perfect. Doesn't matter that mine are a little bit smaller, and if you have the normal size lunch bags. Get this ready, our hot glue gun ready, and some scissors, and a pencil if you want to kind of draw some designs on it. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put down one of my paper bags. I'm going to get the other one ready, and you are just going to use a glue gun to glue the middle. Make sure you ask for a grown-up friend to help you with the glue gun part. You can also use regular glue. You just have to make sure you wait until the regular glue completely dries. That's why I'm using a glue gun, because it dries faster. But make sure to ask a grown-up friend to help you. Okay, next thing we're gonna do, you're going to put, notice that I put the glue in the middle because we're gonna be cutting the edges, okay? And then you're gonna put your other bag right on top, making sure it's even, sealed shut. And then if you want to, you can grab your pencil and maybe start doing some designs over here. Now our bag is going to open. So you want to make sure that you're not cutting completely all of the sides or all of this, because then you're not going to get the full effect once you open it into that snowflake shape. So see how I'm leaving spots that it's closed, even down at the bottom that it's closed. You don't want to cut everything completely. And maybe I'll do something like this up here. So there's my design. Remember, you are the artist of your own artwork, so your design is going to look a little different. The next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our scissors, always being safe, 2 fingers here, thumb through there, opening away from you, and you're going to carefully cut just like that on your design, whatever design you created, making sure to leave these closed, this closed, this closed. You don't wanna cut the whole thing, because the idea will be that we're gonna end up opening it. So you need this to be closed, okay? I'm gonna do it over here. There we go. Now you're going to cut carefully each time you glue on a new bag. And you're gonna follow the same design that you did before, because you want your snowflake to have the same design each time. Okay. There we go. And then I'm gonna get my glue gun again, glue down the middle, my paper bag, and I'm going to cover it right on top. Now remember I said we're going to be cutting the design out over and over again? So you're going to carefully take your scissors and just follow that same design. Following that same design, taking your time, no rush, because you don't want to make a mistake. And remember, artists take their time. Some artists take years to finish art projects. So take your time, there's no rush. And make sure you don't cut the ends. Go. Go. There we go. All right, so you're going to continue doing the same thing over and over again, repeating the same pattern. Gluing it, sticking it on, making sure it's all the way stuck, and then continue cutting, following the same design, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and continue doing mine. I'm gonna let you continue doing yours as well. All right, so now I'm going to throw away all of these scraps over here because we don't need them. And then comes the fun part. This is where we will reveal our snowflake. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna glue again in the middle, like this. And then carefully open the flap and open the other side. And you're going to pull them together. Just like so, and there is your snowflake.
All right, you guys. Thanks so much for creating this giant snowflake with me. Woo! Okay, we're gonna start making our own snow. Come on, let's get started.
All right, some snow. This project does get messy. So you're going to dump your cup of baking soda into a bowl using a spoon. I'm somewhere that's okay to get messy. There we go. And then I'm going to add, you can add conditioner or shaving cream. You're gonna add about half a cup, okay? So I'm gonna add in here, so half a cup. We might need more, we'll see. And then I'm gonna again scoop it out. Smells so good. All right, so I'm gonna mix my baking soda and my shaving cream together. You want it to start to kind of clump together. So if you need to add more shaving cream or conditioner, feel free to do that. You want to make sure it gets all mixed in and it starts to clump. My shaving cream and my conditioner are both white because if you want your snow to be white, you got to make sure what you're mixing it with is also white. All right, once it starts to look pretty mixed together, you can maybe add a little bit more of that shaving cream if you want to. Mix it all in. Wow, lots of smells going on here between the baking soda and my shaving cream. So many good smells. All right, now it's time to get a little messy. Your hands will get messy, okay? So if you want to, grab a wet napkin on hand or make sure you're somewhere that is close by a sink so you can wash your hands afterwards. Make sure you are somewhere that can get messy. But once you start to notice all your baking soda starting to clump together, you can start to play with it and form different things. What do you notice about it? Is it all kind of sticking together? Does it feel like Play-Doh? Does it feel like slime? Not really, huh? It's a little bit different than that. You can start to form things in your hand. And if you want to, you can keep it in the fridge to make sure it stays nice and cold. For an extra fun thing to do, if you have some glitter, you can go ahead, hands are a little messy, but that's okay. You can go ahead and get some glitter and shake some glitter in your snow, mix it all in. And there is your snow.
You guys, thank you so much for joining me today, creating our really fun snow projects. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe because we're always doing something really fun. All right, you guys. See you guys next time. Bye.